You're watching Sitka Community TV. Be sure to like and subscribe if you like what you see.
Say again?
Can't you just build a parking ramp out there on the water? We'll just restore parking.
All right, I'm going to go talk about food real quick. Hey, Carol, I'm going to put you on the spot. What are y'all serving today? Cake.
I'm serving. Thank you.
You're serving cake. And where's John?
Yeah, right here.
Here he is over here. So, John, let's talk about what you're putting together. This is Amanda's husband, John.
Yeah, right now we
supposed to have a big speech.
we smoked on Traeger grills. Now carried here to hardware.
Okay.
Smoked
We put an 8-hour smoke on it.
8 hour?
8-hour smoke.
Okay, good.
Cherry pie.
And what else have you got?
well, we've got
Want a burger on there? Sure. Cheese or no cheese? Cheese, please. There you go.
Thank you so much.
Of course.
Wonderful. Thanks a lot. That's a beautiful.
We're getting you on the radio.
You guys deliver the flyers to my house?
We'll try.
Okay.
Oh, we'll give you a call.
I'm trying to find somebody who's working on it. Whatever you put in there.
That's really extra for you. Not really tips, but you know. There you go. Have a good one. I only feel like you want to right now?
Yeah. Make sure everything's out of the bag.
And your name?
Jessica.
Hi, I'm Amanda Martin, and this is Sitka Ace Hardware. Longtime Sitka resident, and happy to serve this community. Third generation to run this store. We've always been here for Sitka. We are just now part of the Ace family, and we hope to be here for another 50 years.
Long time ago. I still feel bad for them.
And the shades.
It just keeps on giving. Okay.
Yeah, just holler at somebody.
Right.
All right.
Are we ready? 1, 2, 3.
Success on the first try.
Yeah.
That's the quality of Ace here.
Did you guys hear that snip?
I like that.
Very dramatic.
Yeah, there.
Smile. She's smiling?
Well, a beautiful smile, yeah.
There it is.
Why do you have mayonnaise on your slider?
You're watching Sitka Community TV. Be sure to like and subscribe if you like what you see.